Mm. I legit am going out of town tomorrow and I have not packed a thing. I mean, bag empty. Mm. Mm. Bag is empty. It's literally like 9 o'clock at night, 9, 10 o'clock. Mm. And I haven't packed anything. And I don't feel bad about it. I've been drinking this new wine. Man, it's lovely. I'm a cab girl. Anything Cabernet, I love. But I really need to start packing. I've been studying. That's all I've been doing. That's all I've been doing. I've really been focused on my goals. Honestly, I haven't really been doing anything outside of that. But I am excited to kind of get away and have this little break. As you can hear, the washing machine right now because I literally just put a load in because I'm like, oh, I have to pack. I'm going to be out of town for 3 days and I need to pack and do the thing you're supposed to do. And I'm like, every time I go out of town, you think I would be better? You know, I'm not. I do this every time, every single time. Mm. And then wonder why I feel like, oh my gosh, why am I so overwhelmed? Because I wait. But just checking in with you guys, still studying. I will let you guys know when I pass, still studying. Everything's up and up. I feel great. I'm drinking my wine. Just wanted to check in with you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. It's gonna be short, baby. Until I'm done studying and still until I pass, baby, I'm here and I'm not. But just checking in with you guys. Thank you guys for following along with my journey. You guys have a great one. I'm still being consistent. Shout out to me being consistent. Yes, yes, still going strong. Even though sharing even an ounce of my personality or an ounce of myself with absolute strangers is still weird to me. It will always be weird to me. But I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone and I'm trying. Just know that I'm trying. Even posting this right now is like really weird because you're strangers. Okay. But everything is still good. Everything is still great. I want you guys to have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.